Hello pool players, Ron here. I've got two shots I want to share with you guys that are super common, but we must know. Now what I've got here is I've got two paper reinforcements set up along the center of the table from side pocket to side pocket, and they're about 4 inches off center, this being center of the table lengthwise. I want you to set these up and I want you to practice. And I'll show you the first shot. We're going to pocket this 8-ball in this corner. I've got this reduced to a 3 1/8 inch opening, and the 8-ball is just inside the first quadrant. So that's the first quadrant, so it's just inside the point of this. We're going to gain straight in shape on this 9-ball. And the reason we have to be straight in is because if we have any angle, we could scratch trying to pocket this 9 into this corner. So we want to be straight. This is a great exercise for you guys to learn cue ball spin and how to aim with spin too, for that matter. I'm using an elephant ball so you guys can see the rotation on the cue ball. We're also going to use a head cam so that I can show you how I'm using my tip to make this spin grab that cushion. So you're going to want to stick around to watch that. That is absolutely perfect. Now, there's another shot where we move this 9-ball to this side. So let's take a look at it. So now we're going to move the cue ball to this side of the table. Remember, we were right there last time. This one is a low outside spinner. You don't have to hit this one very hard. You just have to pocket it with the right amount of low right spin. And that's pretty good right there. I won't scratch because I'm straight enough. If I was right there, that would be more difficult. But anything from here to here is good. So now let's break these down and show you how you guys can shoot these things consistently. So once again, we got a 3 1/8 inch pocket. And I do this for accuracy, so you might want to pick up some pocket reducers. And also, we've got two paper reinforcements that are straight across from the side pockets and also about 4 inches off center to each side. So now let's go ahead and shoot this in. We're going to put this inside spin on it, and you'll see the cue ball indicator here as well as the actual strike on the Rempe cue ball. And notice here I've played this in about half speed so you guys could see it a little bit better, and I'm also going to play it in real speed as well. Nice shot right there, got nice straight in. So now let's take a look at the outside right shot here. And this one here is, like I say, it's a tough one. We can hit this thing a little too hard and we're gonna have a little cut on that 9-ball. And we really wanna get right on the cushion if we can. So practicing this is really about just getting table speed and also understanding the hit. And here again, I'm playing it in different slow motion as well as regular pace. So if you guys have any questions or comments, let me know what you have, and also let me know what you think about the cue ball, up in the corner, as well as the real strike on the Rempe ball. I appreciate any feedback that you guys might give. Thanks for watching, and until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.